Save a Local here, coming in with a new video. Gonna be doing the Pokemon Phantasma Booster Box. There should be 20 packs in here, and I'm going for the full Electrode because it's one of my wife's favorite cards, and I'm hoping I can pull it. Let's see what I can get today. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Super excited. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, there really is. Lots and lots of booster packs. Look at that. Alrighty. Artwork looks pretty cool on here. I love the Gengar. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what we can get out of here. I know with the Japanese packs, you gotta get on the bottom. Alright. Wumple. Bronzer. Trainer. Miss Magius. Reverse. And. Ooh! We got an. That looks like an alternate artwork Parasect. On the first pull, look at that. That looks fantastic. I love these Japanese packs. First one and a hit already. Man, I'm loving this. Let's see what the next one's gonna get. Like I said, I'm going for that Electrode. See if I can get him. Ooh, we got a Ghastly. Look at that. Paris. Machop. Bronzong. Ooh, we got a V. Check that out. That looks nice. And then we got a reverse hollow chest. Okay. We are doing pretty good here. Sorry, my focus is being a little handsy. Let's see if that helps out. Alright, on to the next pack. We got Gloomy. Silicone. Alright. If that helps out. There's my reverse. Oh, and I got a reverse Apalm, but oh my goodness, look at that artwork. I like the Pokeballs. That is pretty cool looking. I like that. It even goes into it. Okay. Even with the reverses, I'm loving this. Man, these packs are looking amazing. Alright, let's see what we get. Come on. Man, I just like that Ghastly. Okay, the reverse. Oh, we got a Is that Manaphy? And that same artwork. I like that. Alrighty, on the next pack. Come on, give me that Electrode. That's what I want. Rotom. Wurmple. That chest again. Ooh, there's the evolution. We got Crobat reverse. Ah, Gligar. Ah. Alright. Comment down below, what is your guys' favorite Pokemon card in this set? I'd be interested to know. Let's see what we got this time. Alright. Ooh, Clefairy. Look at that. You got the moon in there too. Raichu. Oh, we got another V-Star. Look at that. And into that Pikachu and Dawn. Look at that. That is so cool. I love that artwork. Man, getting the hits today. Come on. Show me Electrode. Show me Electrode. Bronzer. Clefable, Reverse Beautifly, and Clefable Reverse. Look at that. Or Hollow. I don't know how you say this one. Alright, looks like we still got quite a few packs. I have a good chance to pull this. Let's see what I get. Alright. Krogan. Oh. Bombasmole. Spirit Tomb. Ooh, Machamp Reverse. That is a cool looking Machamp. I like that. Into, Hisuian Growlithe. Alright. Really hoping I get something soon. I did like that Machamp though. That is a pretty cool reverse. Let's see. Ooh. I like that artwork on that Zubat. Sudowoodo. Ooh. That's a good one. Ah, Magnezone V. Okay. Into a Spirit Tomb. Alright, it's a V. It's electric and it's a V. Just not the right one. Got stuck on this one. There we go. Here we go. Ooh, Golbat. Ooh, Machoke, look into the distance. Is that a volcano? Toxicroak. Reverse. No, not again. Alright. Still got plenty of chances to pull this card. Pretty much the reason I picked this set. Trying to get it for my wife. I'm hoping I can get it for her. Let's see. Okay, ooh, Destox. Reverse. Ooh, okay, you know, that's a nice Pikachu. I like that. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Gotta love the Pikachu. I don't know, my favorite Pokemon card for me is Scyther. There's not too many sets that have a nice Scyther in it though. Mr. Mime. The card that always gets Pokerev. Oh, I got one. Look at that. I got a V. It's the Electrode V. That's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. He's angry face? Upside down? He's still kind of an angry face. Okay. We got one. That is cool. I know there's another one in here as well, so maybe I can pull both. I didn't think I was actually going to get it. So, got one. Now I think I get the second one. Alright. Bombasmole. Machop. Parasect. Oh, we got a... Oh my god. Let's see. Snorlax. Reverse. And... Oh. Fuck. There we go. Krogan. I can't believe I forgot Snorlax's name. Alright, on to the next one. Let's see what we get. Okay. Ghastly. Ooh, we got a Gengar. That looks nice. Okay. I really do look at that Gengar. Alright, on to the next pack. Sudowoodo again. Wurmple. Zora. Oh, we got the Magnezone. Is this an alternate artwork? You get Magnezone and... Oh no, it's a V-Star. Okay. Into a Sudowoodo reverse. Okay. We're ramping things up. Let's see what we get. Definitely getting more hits than I thought I would in this pack. And... Oh, okay. I honestly didn't think I was going to get this many hits. I have been so lucky today. It looks like you get at least a reverse and 1 holo per pack, which is pretty nice. I don't usually see that all the time in Japanese packs. Paris. Snorlax again. Oh, Silicone. Alright, we're down to our last 3 packs. Let's see what we get out of this. Alrighty, we got Growlithe, Haunter, Toxicroak. Oh, there's Manaphy. Okay. Oh, we got the... Is it Zora? No, it's the Evolution Zora. Ooh, look at that. So we go from a V into the Snorlax. Oh, wow, that looks fantastic. I really like that. Still getting the hits, and there's still 2 packs left. Let's see what we get. Getting super lucky today. This is definitely an awesome set. I will definitely be getting some more Japanese packs in the future. I really like them. I seem to have better luck with Japanese packs. This is a full art Magnezone and Mr. Mime. But look at that. Okay, we are coming in. Last pack. Do we get some last pack magic? Drum roll, please. Alright, last pack. Silicone, Murkrow, that Pikachu, Dustox. Oh, I got the card I wanted in this pack. I got my wife's. Last pack, I get the Radiant Steelix. That is the card I wanted into a Zubat. Look at this card. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. It's that golden Steelix. I can't believe my last pack, I got the card I wanted. If you guys like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. And if you want, you can watch my previous video. If not, I will see you guys next video. This was a great opening, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.